My kickboxing comedy. So I'm Billy Pakwan or Billy Mama Macquiao, the kickboxer champion, and I will fight with Manny Pacquiao, the world boxing champion. Okay, so now we will show you my exercise. How I can defeat this Manny Pacquiao. Okay, now the first practice. So I'm Billy Mama Macquiao. Mama Macquiao ng mga suntok. Kaya lang delikado ko. Kailangan di ako tamaan ni Manny Pacquiao. For one round, I'm going to fight with him maybe this 2010. Because I'm still not strong enough to fight with him. But now I'm improving, so I quite fast now than before. So I still have my back operation. It's not yet okay. See, oh my God, I almost fell down. Okay, this is how I'm going to defeat Manny Pacquiao with my punches. I have to weigh myself first. Okay, why? How many kilos? Okay. So I'm 71 kilos. Oh, overweight. I might be disqualified because Manny Pacquiao is only 144 plus. And I'm more than 156. Kinakailangan mag-reduce ako ng aking masyadong malaki. I must remove 10 kilos so I can fight Manny Pacquiao, okay? Now I'm going to be fast now, like this. Oh, teka. Oh my God, it's not so strong. 1, 2, 3. Oh, how is it? Maybe like this uppercut. I must be fast or else. Or I will use, because I'm a kickboxer champion daw, a comedy boxer, not a real boxer, okay? So I will use some technique to defeat Manny Pacquiao. So I will use some flying kick, but I must be careful because I might fall down. Okay, like this, flying kick, oops. Oh my God, I cannot, more practice. Oh. Mahirap. Like this. Oh my God. Mahirap pa pala. Maybe in this corner only. And then I will wait for Manny Pacquiao to come to my side and punch or kick. Oh my God. Still I have to, maybe I use this. I use my stick. Okay, jogging. Or I use this to Manny Pacquiao. Maybe if I use this, I can defeat Manny Pacquiao. Okay, joke lang yan ha. Hindi totoo ito mga... Siguro pag talagang lumakas ako, I'm just making a joke, comedy joke for Manny Pacquiao and me. Kababayan ko pala yan si Manny Pacquiao eh. Okay, I'm older than Manny Pacquiao. Parang ano ko na lang yan si Manny Pacquiao, ano ba yan? Anak ko lang yan eh. I'm older by, I'm now more than 60. Okay. But hindi naman mukhang 16, di ba? O yan ang mukha ko. So I will change my name into Billy Pakwan. Yan, Billy Pakwan. So maybe I'll change my name San Miguel Billy Kotong. Kotong, nakalaban niya kasi si Kotong eh. Ito, kamukha ni Koto. Kaya lang natalo. And now maybe Okay, maybe I can fight with Manny Pacquiao for 2 rounds. But he must pay me more for our fundraising campaign para sa mga mahihirap, okay? So, ito ang aking, wait, tanggalin ko itong para makamove ng mabilis. Oh my God. Okay, now, maybe I must do it like that. Like that. Kailangan ganyan ng ganyan para hindi makalapit si Manny Pacquiao. Pag ako nalapitan, delikado. Babagsak ako sigurado. Pero forma na lang, lalabanan ko siya. Mas champion ako sa forma eh. Diba? Mas magaling ako sa forma. Yan. Mga ganyan forma, yan. Panlaban yan. Kailangan pa dito. Ganyan. Oh my God. Paano nga ba ginagawa niya? Like that. Kick back. Oh my God. Still difficult. Stop muna. Because I'm tired. So I hope you like my video, okay? Goodbye.